Hey guys, what's up? In this video we're going to teach you step by step how you can make a table of contents and add it to your documents on Google Docs step by step. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so head over to your document on Google Docs. As you can see, I'm using that example untitled document. And as you can see as well guys, I added a couple of chapters or examples to my document, which I would like to format as headings and add these, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and so on and so forth, to my table of contents in the final step. To do that guys, to make that happen, you will first need to convert your chapters and any sub-chapters of these chapters into headings and format them as headings. So to do that guys, start with the first chapter, highlight it, click on format here at the top, hover your mouse over paragraph and styles, and here apply the heading 1. What you want to do guys is make sure that apply heading 1 is enabled. If that's not the case, simply click on it. You will see the check mark here left to it. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-1 to do that. And that's basically it. After that, highlight chapter 1 again, or the uppermost example or chapter of your table of contents, and click on format again, hover your mouse over paragraph styles, hover your mouse over heading 1, and make sure that you select update heading 1 to match and to apply the same format to any other parts of your heading 1. So what you want to do next step guys is continue and repeat the same process for any other or remaining chapters of your heading 1. So let me go with chapter number 2, highlight it, click on format, hover your mouse over paragraph and styles, apply heading 1, and make sure that apply heading 1 is enabled, and repeat the same process for any remaining chapters here in your document. So let me go also with chapter 3 before we proceed. So format, paragraph styles, heading 1, and make sure that this option apply heading 1 is enabled so that all of these chapters are formatted within heading 1. And you may do the same guys with for any sub-chapters of your table of contents. So let me go only with that one example to not make this tutorial too long. So highlight sub-chapter 1, click on format, hover your mouse over paragraph and styles, and this time hover your mouse over heading 2 because that's a sub-chapter of the chapter. So hover your mouse over heading 2 and make sure that apply heading 2 is enabled, and also do the same with any other sub-chapters afterwards. And that should do it guys. So what you want to do in the final step is add the table of contents to your document. To do that, click on insert here at the top, hover your mouse over page elements, and select table of contents here. You may customize your table of contents using a plain text or a dotted table or with links. So let me go with a standard plain text table of contents, and that is going to add the table of contents to my document. As you can see, chapter 1, sub-chapter, chapter 2, with these pages listed here to the right. For example, chapter 1 is on page 2, and so on and so forth guys. So that's how it works in practice, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.